Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Painters wear white clothing because it was adopted in the 20th century by union workers who wanted to set themselves apart from non-union workers. The most common color painters deal with is white, and they use other white stuff like plaster and spackle. They wear white clothes so the splotches do not show.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Only the upper middle class and rich hire painters, so the price fits the market. Not only are they charging that because the market supports it, but that market requires more work and risk. People with money are more demanding, and picky. 2 January 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Hi Patty, most professional painters would recommend cutting in twice. That's why we recommend the cut, roll sequence at the end of the blog post. Cutting in twice and rolling twice will produce a smoother, more even end result. Whenever I paint a room, I always do 2 coats of paint. 22 May 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How much do painters charge per hour? A professional painter typically charges between $25 and $100 per hour. The cost will vary based on the painter's experience, the difficulty of the job, and where the location is, according to Angie's List.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.